Good morning, Lakeside. My name's Evan Meyers.
And my name is Carson Burnham.
And welcome back to the 8th episode of Ram Review.
Coming up.
They noticed that I couldn't see out of my left eye. We got sent to the doctor.
White House blaming Iran. The question now, what does this new move from the Pentagon mean for the future?
The fall season for Arkansas esports begins soon. If you're interested in participating, visit Mr. Lee in room 116.
Let's see who's going to be the winners of the Bake Wars by Lakeside.
I'm Brock and I'm 8 years old and I think this one is the best.
Hi, I'm Brody. I'm 8 years old and I think this one is the best.
It's hard. I'm gonna go with the brown one.
What about you?
I'm gonna go with the red one.
Hi, I'm Brittney. And I'm Gracie. And welcome to the Wacky Bags.
Evan, doesn't that cake look delicious?
No. If you didn't take advantage of the yearbook discount, you can still purchase your own for $45. Hurry though, deals are limited time offers.
If you missed SpaCon, here's a quick recap.
I'm a comic book artist. I've been working in comics for 23 years for Marvel and DC. Been doing it for a very long time. So I'm here at this convention to showcase some of my work and have some of my art for sale. Prints and books and sketch covers and original art. I like the convention. This is my first time being at this convention, SpaCon in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Yeah, it's a nice convention. It's the first time I've been at the convention where they had a opening ceremony and then they're gonna have a cosplay party or something. So this is very nice. And it's a nice convention. Arkansas is humid though, compared to where I am. Like I walk inside, it's all sticky. It's all sticky. I can't get used to that. From where I'm from in San Francisco, it's foggy. So it's like the foggy just turned sticky. And then a lot of times I go to conventions, not just to sell some of my products, I also like meeting people, like meeting you guys, meeting people who come up to me, they'll talk to me about artwork, and then I'll do videos there too. So I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Wall-to-Wall Art. I do a lot of tutorials. I also talk about how comic books are made, everything related to comic books. And also do walk around at conventions and show people who can't go to those conventions so they can see how the convention is like. That's one of the reasons I like going to conventions, is to meet people and talk to people.
I am at SpaCon because they guested me and they wanted me to come and greet their audience and basically walk around dressed up like Spock, make people smile. It's an event where cosplayers are welcome and invited. It's full of people with passions. I mean, they love displaying their favorite character, role-playing, whatever they love, what they see on TV or movies or games. And the environment is very calm, very friendly. A lot of people are enjoying their time. You see their faces, they're smiling. The environment is one of it's like a little family, basically. That's why I'm here. They say, hey, we know that guy was here 2 years ago. And they say, we want you back. The crowds love it. They love Spock. And Spock Vegas, I mean, who doesn't love Spock? Who doesn't know Spock? Oh, very, very interesting journey.
SpockCon was pretty fun this year, Evan.
No, it wasn't.
If you're interested in pursuing a career in education or a related field, then the Educators of Tomorrow is the club for you. Swing by Miss Kennedy's room for more details.
Now let's look at a spotlight on one of our students here at Lakeside.
So I have a rare disease called parsplanitis, and we don't know the cause of it, but I got diagnosed whenever I was about 7 years old with the year-round school eye exam. They noticed that I couldn't see out of my left eye. We got sent to the doctor in Arkadelphia, and then they did the eye exam there, and they noticed that I couldn't see, and so they sent me to Children's. I got misdiagnosed. They sent me to UAMS, where I saw Dr. Sammy, and he said that I was losing my vision in my left eye. In the 5th grade, I had cataract surgery on my right eye, and but they shouldn't have done the surgery because there was too much inflammation in my eyes, and that detached my retina, which caused me to lose my vision in my right eye. I think I had 7 retina repair surgeries to try and fix my retina to bring back my vision, but that didn't work. So I started cheer this year, and it's been kind of hard because I can't see, obviously. It took me a little while longer than the other girls to learn the cheers and get the stuff right and down and stuff, because I had a hard time seeing them and stuff. I'm a flyer since I'm really small, and that's kind of interesting sometimes. But the plus side to that is I can't it's not as scary because you can't really see that much, so I've always liked a challenge. I've always liked doing puzzles and stuff like that, and I like a good challenge in my life. And plus I'm an athlete, and that's just what I love to do. It's what I've always loved to do. And so that with loving challenges and stuff, it just kind of fits together.
Picture retakes are October 8th before first lunch in the auditorium. If you need a retake, then make sure you come dressed for success.
It's getting pretty spicy over in Saudi Arabia. Let's see how that may affect us over here in America.
We're going to start here with President Trump sending additional troops over to Saudi Arabia after those brazen, fiery drone attacks on oil facilities over there, which have disrupted global oil markets.
The White House blaming Iran. The question now, what does this new move from the Pentagon mean for the future of this crucial and volatile region?
All right, so recently there was this attack on a Saudi oil refinery. Drone attacks, which was something that they didn't foresee, coming out of a country just south of them called Yemen. There's a civil war going on in Yemen. It has been for a while now. Saudi Arabia has been participating in funding the people who are down here, plus the rebels that are fighting against them, which are funded by Iran. So this is where it gets all tricky, because the Iranians and the Saudis are in this weird sort of proxy war. They're not kind of openly at each other, but they're fighting through other people to get to each other. Iran wants to dominate the area. Saudi Arabia wants to dominate the area. We really would prefer the Saudis to be involved in the win on that. So the attack here on the oil refinery does two things. It complicates our relationship and the potential for them to go into actual war with each other, open conflict with each other, and it's going to drive up oil prices because Saudi Arabia is a major distributor of oil around the world. So, prices spiked right after the attack because it crippled, I want to say, somewhere around several million gallons of oil production per day. It was one of their major refineries, which then has an impact globally.
Have you seen evidence, proof that Iran was behind the attack?
Well, it's looking that way. We'll have some pretty good, we're having some very strong studies done, but it's certainly looking that way at this moment, and we'll let you know. As soon as we find out definitively, we'll let you know, but it does look that way.
President, do you want war with Iran?
Do I want war? I don't want war with anybody. I'm somebody that would like not to have war.
The more you know.
Congratulations to the girls' golf team for winning state, and good luck to the boys.
Thank you, Relyance Bank, for sponsoring this episode. My name is Evan Meyers.
And my name is Carson Burnham.
And we'll see you next time on the Ram Review.